If you're in charge of purchasing or supply chain for a commercial aircraft maintenance operation, even an Air Force or military, whatever it might be, listen up. Today, we're diving into the 3 costly aircraft parts procurement mistakes you absolutely can't afford to make. Trust me, avoiding these pitfalls could save you a world of trouble down the line. Mistake number 1, prioritizing price over quality. Avoid easily falling into the trap of always going for the cheapest parts. I get it. I get it. Budgets are tight. But here's the thing. Low quality parts will cost you in the long run. It's as simple as that. They may have quality issues, so you're constantly wasting money and time to replace them. Or you're continually frustrated with the company because the service and support are absolutely horrendous, and you waste time chasing them for status updates, not getting responses, and it just makes things so much more complicated. So focus on overall value, not just the price tag. Mistake number 2, skipping supplier audits. When was the last time you really vetted your material suppliers? Neglecting regular audits is like flying blind. You could be opening yourself up to a counterfeit parts, shoddy business operations, you name it. There's an endless amount of issues by not thoroughly understanding the partners you're working with. Make audits a priority to catch red flags before they become disasters. As they say, trust but verify. You can have somebody get involved with the vendor material and do some auditing themselves. You can go visit them in their operation and see how they're operating on a physical level within their warehouse operations. There's a lot of ways to trust but verify. Some of them are more costly than others, but the investments in time and money have compounding effects when you're working with the right partners. Mistake number 3, neglecting quality control. Don't let quality control fall through the cracks in the name of speedy procurement processes, AOGs. I understand that the stress levels are high, but you need airtight processes to inspect and verify every part that comes through your door. One defective component can ground your fleet or even jeopardize safety, and nobody wants that. It's not worth the risk. Invest in training your team and developing detailed QC procedures. Catch issues early on to keep things running smoothly, and make sure your material partners prioritize quality, so they have to take part into the system as well, which is why number 2 is you also have to audit them. Trust but verify. There you have it. 3 aircraft part procurement mistakes that can spell big trouble if you're not careful. But the good news is they're all fairly avoidable with the right approach and the right processes. Prioritize quality and reliability, stay on top of supplier audits, and make quality control a non-negotiable and a core value of your operation. Your fleet, your customers, and your bottom line will thank you. If you want to take your procurement strategy to the next level, the team at Skylink is here to help you. Shoot me a message wherever you find this video, or give us a call or go online and send us a message. Let's keep your aircraft flying high together. Until next time, thanks for watching.